Hi guys, we're taking a look at my gemstone collection Docolor Dream in Color eyeshadow palette collection. So this comes with multiple eyeshadow palettes: Power, which is the purple, Mind yellow, Space blue, Soul orange, and Time green, as well as Reality, which is reds. So we've got a whole array of different color options here, both with mattes and shimmers. So here is the look that I created just using a couple of their colors out of the Power eyeshadow palettes. Super pigmented. I am obsessed with the Row 3 M1. That's that shimmer that I used on the base. And then I lined it with the Row 3L and Row 2L. And then I also use the Soul palette for this next one, just making it a very daytime natural look with the Row 3 and Row 2. I'm super excited to use some of the other palettes as well to create some more colorful looks. Super pigmented and not too powdery, like not too much fallout. And it's been fine on my eyes. I have pretty sensitive eyes. Definitely recommend you check them out.